channel, the E46 drop top. Yeah, give a look at what's around. Let's just see what's going on. Y'all can see the wheels off my E90 is on here. But yeah, cool little ride. I had it for a while, yeah. Shit like that. I just never really did nothing with it, but I figure say, yo, you know, for more content wise, let me introduce it to the channel, you know. Pretty clean car. With any other car, you know, it has its problems or it has its issues. So let me take you inside, see what's going on. So here's the inside, interior, basic, typical E46. Cool thing I like about this, I gotta fix these seats up though, but the two-tone, black with the gray. But yeah, we need some work with that. Little issues going on here and there. Glove box need to get fixed. Whoever had it before was very impatient and kind of mash up the thing, but yeah, so it go. Radio gonna get switched out pretty soon. Like I said, I had this for a while. I just never did nothing with it. Always just sitting there. Now I decided, like, you know what, I'm gonna hold on to the car and, you know, fix it up, make it a nice little ride. Not sure what direction I'm gonna go with it, if I'm just gonna go stance it out or, you know, go performance, but in the day it's just gonna look nice and we'll figure out what's gonna, you know, will be next. So I'm just introducing new people to the new ride, you understand? And yeah, of course, I still got my E90. Yeah, so yeah, don't forget about it. So now I got two rides on the channel, the E46 Vert and the E90. Basically E90 is going to be the daily. We're going to do some stuff to this. I'm not, like I said, I'm not even sure, but I definitely know this radio is getting switched out. Put one of those new screens with the, you know, Android radio, put a little system in the back. As of right now, I don't know, because once I put that in, clean up the interior, yeah, these seats need to get taken care of. But yeah, it's not bad. The car runs pretty good. Probably a tune-up or whatever. But other than that, this shit is crisp. Thanks for watching again. The new ride is part of the channel. You see me? Introduction. Up and change stuff. Whatever is broken, then it'll be fixed. Tune-ups and stuff like that. Because, yo, these mirrors need to get sorted out. Yeah. The car's been neglected for too long, so time for sure it's some love and, you know, get it looking proper. At least looking decent to just do road a little bit. You understand, like that, but it's pretty cool. I like a drop top. Can't go wrong with a drop top. So yo, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little cinematics and whatnot. Go on and see how the thing's set up. We're gonna transform this. We don't know which direction, if it's performance or just looks or whatever, or stance, but no, right now it's sitting pretty good for what it is. And it run pretty good. So yo, stay tuned. But pretty quiet. Not bad. Headlights and lenses need to change. Or at least try to clean up a bit. Yeah, on it. And I'm gonna do something with the headlights like what I did with the E90. Not sure exactly what, but yeah. As you own it, take time and get stuff situated. So hopefully by next car season, this thing be up and running. Well, it's up and running now, but you know, looking much cleaner than how it does now. Even though it looks pretty good. Not bad for what it is.